This product is being released on the 19th of January, 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Product called ChecKitz by Jason Fulton and Sean Oakendale. This is going to be released on Warrior Plus. This product has a new angle. It's going to pay all your holiday bills for you. It says one-click app banking us. Not quite sure what that means. This is the sales page, and this is what the product looks like on the inside. Stick around and we'll have a look at this product and see whether it's something that you as a beginner perhaps should be buying. Hi, my name is Jenny Brew. I'm from Nomadic Hero. If you haven't been to this channel before, please subscribe. A like would be appreciated, and ring the bell for updates. Now, if you're actually looking for a real online business and a genuine free training, then see the link in the description below. Let's get on with this video. The creators promote the product in this way: a powerful push-button software app that gets free traffic flowing fast. It leverages a built-in income automation engine that pays all your bills. No selling, everything's done for you, and once things are set up, the money just keeps coming in. And if you want more money, you just hit refresh to scale your income. As is usual with Jason's products, it's a three-step process. Number 1, you log into the app from any device. Step 2, activate the free traffic, fast and easy. And step 3, just sit back and wait for it to make the money for you. This is the members area. The dashboard gives a summary of your videos that have been used and created in your campaigns and the number of visitors. ChecKitz works in this way. It is basically a page builder and creates campaigns. So each one of these pages will be a campaign, and what they consist of is a video which may be coming from your system or one coming straight out of YouTube. The video will be there, and then you can change some text. You can add ads through the video and onto this particular page. The ads we'll have a look at in a moment. You add a call to action button. So this is basically what they're calling their automation tool. That is the app. And the second part of the exercise, step 2, was to get traffic. The traffic will be coming from social media, all social media, 150 of them. And then step 3 is the whole thing just works automatically. It's basically a page builder, and it focuses around the campaigns. We've got manage campaigns, create a new campaign, done for you campaigns. Now, depending on which upsell you buy will depend on how many of these done for you campaigns will exist. If we have a look at manage campaigns, these are some that have been set up by various people who have been using the demonstration site. Let's build our own campaign and see what it looks like. So we can create this. You can create your own or input your own video, MP4, or you can collect one from a YouTube video, and by doing that you just put in a keyword and search on the keyword, and it'll bring up a whole bunch of videos that are on YouTube at the moment. And of course they're not yours. Using other people's videos can be a bit precarious. So let's choose a particular video, this one for example. It will then upload that for us. You can put a thumbnail on if you want and search Pixabay, which is a free area to get images from anyway, or you can upload your own image. Video actions, you want to autoplay the video, we'd probably leave it as no, but it's up to you what you do. And then you can change your colors, your page color, your text, your headers and so forth all the way through. These are the aesthetic things. You can put a countdown timer on if you wish. Put in get access link. This is where you'd put in your affiliate link, and more colors, and then what is added to that at the end is a whole bunch of bonus graphics. So there's a whole bunch of different bonuses that you can add. Now the thing with these bonuses that are here, you just tick the box and say which one you want. They're basically PLR, private label right documents. You need to be a bit careful with PLR. I would take a look at each of these before I actually set anything up, because you just really don't know the quality of those, and you don't know how old they are either. You start posting really old bonuses in there, you sort of damage your credibility a little bit, and you'd probably want to change them up anyway, because if you're using these, then there's a whole bunch of other people using these as well. So once you put your bonuses in, you can then publish this, and that would then create that particular page for you. Now we can get an idea of what these look like if we have a look at the Done For You campaigns. So it's not a hard process, you can certainly set this up for yourself. Okay, the Done For You campaigns, let's just have a look. These are Jason Fulton products that I can see down here, because I've already done a review on this one and this one and this one and this one, and I'll make a comment about that in a moment. But let's have a look at has already been set up, and this is the framework of the page. Whatever video you choose gets slotted in here. This is already created for you, and as I said, you can change the colors of some of these things. That text you would put in yourself. That's standard, that's standard. This text here you put in yourself. And then here's the bonuses we've referred to. You can choose which one of these PLR, private label right documents, that you want to include. And then you hit Get Access Now, and that then takes you off to your affiliate link. They have updated this for copyright 2021, but you really, on these pages, you should have legal pages on here, and this is a little problematic because you do need sort of privacy and some disclosure information there, but that's not there either, and that's another problem. What else we have in here? There is a bonus library which has got all these PLR documents that I referred to. Bonus library, PLR. The ads builder is, I struggle to know what you'd use this for. I think you're probably meant to use this for building your thumbnail, because all you really do is pick up a photo, and you can do things with this photo if you want. So if you wanted to put some emoticon, anyway, you get the idea. And then there's a bestsellers. Now this, you can either use Warrior Plus or JVZoo, or both of those if you want. What it does, it brings up the best sellers for the day, so you've got 1 to 10 of the best sellers. Why you'd need to do this, I don't know, because you can just go into Warrior Plus and get this information anyway without going through this. What they don't necessarily say, if you want to promote these products, then you need to get permission from the creators of those products to be able to promote them. If you don't do that, you make absolutely no money at all. You have no commissions. And with Jason's products, you're obviously going to get permission to sell his own products. There shouldn't be any problem at all with that. So basically you're going to be picking up, creating a video, a page, and selling his products for him and paying him money to sell the products for him, so that he can then pay you back a commission. But anyway, bestsellers for Warrior Plus and JVZoo are there. There is a support desk, and there is one training video here. Now I did have a look through this video. It's about 12 minutes long. Really doesn't help you very much, and what they do is brushes over very, very quickly the traffic issue, which for this product is the biggest problem. So if we go back to these campaigns up here, manage campaigns, I brushed over this because I wanted to come back to it. Remember, Jason said step 1, get the app working. Okay, it's taken us more than a few minutes to get the app working, because you'd have to set the thing up in the first place. Then step 2 was get all this free traffic. It'll just keep flowing in. Well, this is where your free traffic comes from, over here, and basically all you're doing is pushing it out to social media. Right now, if you've got a lot of social media accounts, there's a whole stack of them in here. He's got 150 of them in here. Fine, I'm sure nobody's got 150 accounts of all of these, but it needs to be your own account, and you need to have followers and fans and whatever they call them in each of those social media accounts. Now, if you've got a Facebook account with your family and friends on it, and that's all there is, all you're going to be doing is pushing these pages out in front of them. That's it. So you're going to find that the traffic does not really exist, and there's no point in having a product like this if there is no traffic in the first place. So that's your biggest problem. But the second biggest problem is actually getting permission from the other creators of products apart from Jason. Jason will give you permission. So that's the problem. Let's go back to the sales page. This sales page does very little in terms of describing what the product is, but if you actually scroll through, you're getting numbers that have been generated somewhere. We don't know that it's coming out of this program, what the product is itself. And what they're doing here is really playing on you for short-term cash. Depending on a program like this, for short-term cash to pay your bills seems a very, very dodgy sort of way to play the game. What you're doing, or should be doing, with your online system really is trying to set up a long-term business rather than just do short-term cash grabs. That's no kind of life. But anyway, so what this product is yet another shiny object. It promises you a lot of dreams. There's really no substance to this product at all. And as a newbie, the last thing in the world you need is yet another shiny object. There is a money-back guarantee for 100 days, 100-day money-back guarantee. Would suggest that you please don't go down that road, because you may find trouble getting the money back. Now, we probably should just have a quick look at, there's your 100-day guarantee. We should have a quick look at the upsells. Now, the front end product is $19, and I think right at the very start you might get even another couple of dollars off that. The OTO 1 is an unlimited edition, so they're removing all limits from the app. But the problem you've got, of course, is whether you take the limits off or not. If you're not making any money, it's not going to make any difference. So that's not $37. OTO 2 is a done-for-you affiliates product. You get 20 done-for-you profit campaigns ready and set up, everything done for you, $197. OTO 3 is automation. I'm not quite sure what they're automating on that one. OTO 4 is a diamond traffic edition. It talks about getting additional traffic, but I'm not quite sure how that's going to work. The next OTO is the Super Affiliate Edition, followed by No Computer Paydays Edition. I'm not quite, they add a lot of stuff onto that, but you become in a super affiliate status. And last but not least is the license rights for $197, so you get the whole lot. Now, if you were to buy all of these things, you'd end up paying about $638. This is totally not recommended. The first product, the front end product, is $19, and frankly, I wouldn't recommend you even buying that one. Just so that you know that Jason Fulton releases products very regularly, if you go to Muncheye, which is where the launches are occurring from for this Warrior Pros product, you can actually have a look at how many products Jason has released over the last year. And as you can see, and they go on and on and on. Here we are, 19th of January, Jason Fulton, ChecKitz. Okay, so that's being released, and now you can see after that, the next one is the 9th of Feb, 2nd of March, 23rd of March, 13th of April. And if you work backwards on this scale, you can also see that all the products he's referring to in this sale are also there as well. You can see ChecKitz and Pockets and Affiliate Weapon and Jacked ATM. They're all on those lists that you can see on this sales page for this particular product. So you really have to ask yourself the question, how is he going to support all these products being released month after month after month? And what you'll find is when you compare a lot of these products, they do look very much the same. So, you know, basically they're just being recycled from month to month to month. But it's problematic for support. So my recommendation for this problem is about a 2 out of 10. If you're a newbie, you're not going to have any traffic. It's just not going to happen for you. This is another shiny object, and my recommendation is to stay away from this product and do avoid the upsells. Well, that takes us to the end of this review. I hope you found something useful in this video, and if you haven't been to this channel before, please subscribe and press the bell for future updates. Now, if you're interested in looking at a free training for a more viable form of online business, one that actually does have a future, well, look below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.